Hey, listen, every man you see is not your husband. And I know you think that every man that you see in the supermarket or church or, on your job or at the park, listen, it's endless, okay? But I can remember when I was single, right? And if you see somebody, coming into church or somebody that was a visitor or something like that, you'd be like, oh, wow, this must be my husband. No, he was just walking by. Yeah, he was just on his way to the bathroom. And, someone help you with the groceries at the grocery store and you're like, oh, could you get this off the shelf for me? And he's like, oh, sure. And you're like, oh, Lord, that must be my husband. It's not. He just worked there. He's doing his job that he does very well. He's just working. He's just collecting the check. Oh, he's thinking about his wife at home. And by the way, God ain't going to send you somebody else's husband. Now that's a bonus tip for you there, okay? When it's him, you will definitely know. There will be no doubt about it, right? Because you can't miss what God has for you, right? So stop, everywhere you go, stop thinking that your husband is going to be there, okay? What you going to do, enjoy life? And stop thinking everybody is your husband because they're not. You don't have to go to the car wash and you happen to sit next to someone and he's being nice to you and being polite. You know what? He's just sitting there reading his phone. Okay, he don't want no trouble. All right, he don't want no trouble. All right, he don't need you glazing over at him and you're looking into his eyes and he's wondering what's happening here. Okay, I'm just here for a car wash, right? And I'm being looked up and down. No, no. Calm down. Listen, I know you want to be married and God is going to send you a husband if that's his will. But until then, calm down, okay? Every man you see is not your husband, all right? And everything is going to be all right until that time comes, right? If that's part of God's will. Okay, so I pray that this has encouraged you and inspired you. And God bless you. And remember, do not ever give up before the miracle happens. God bless. Bye.